friends, today I'm going to show you how to make steamed mince biryani. I've got very simple ingredients here which every biryani normally has. I've got obviously mince, which is about 1 kilogram. You can use beef, mutton or chicken mince, it's your choice. I'm using the mutton mince here. Here I've got about 4 cups of polished rice, which is also called sela rice. They are specially used to make biryanis and zardas. Here I've got some red tomatoes, which I chopped, about 3 to 4. 1 cup of plain yogurt, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon of white cumin seeds, some cardamoms, green cardamoms, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of green coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, some black cardamoms, cloves and peppers, some fried onions, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of mace, some salt. Here I've got some dried plums which I soaked in water just to freshen them up. I've got some ginger garlic paste, about 4 tablespoons altogether. 1 charcoal for steaming the mince, and I've got some fresh green coriander mince and some green chilies, some food color and some kevra water. I'm going to soak this rice before boiling them for 1 hour. Here I've put the pan for some oil. I'm going to put the dry ingredients first. White dry garam masala. Just heat that for a few seconds in hot oil. Once you hear the cracking sound, add this ginger garlic paste and red chili powder, dhania powder, turmeric garam masala and fried onion, and just fry that all together. We're going to fry this for another 2 to 3 minutes just to fry the ginger garlic paste, and then we're going to add our mince in it. After frying ginger garlic paste, I have added the mince, and now I'm going to add plums and put in there, and I'm going to just mix that, and I'm going to put the lid on and let the mince to cook properly, and then we're going to fry it again when it's all tender and ready. Then we're going to fry the mince. So at this stage I'm going to just mix everything together and put the lid on. Now you can see that this mince is, all the water is evaporated, and I'm frying this, and here I've got charcoal already in the pot. So I'm going to finish frying this. Now at this stage I'm going to add this salt and mince and mace and black powder in it. Fry it really well at this stage, and once the charcoal is ready, I'm going to close my door, put the charcoal in aluminum foil, put some oil on, and steam this mince for a barbecue flavor, and that will go really well with rice. And when you eat the biryani, you will have a very different sort of biryani taste and usual sort of barbecue flavor in it, and it's going to be lovely. Now I'm going to add the oil, a little bit of oil on the top, and quickly put the lid on and leave it for about 10 minutes. I'm going to remove this charcoal, and what I'm going to do is, next step, I'm going to take this oil that you see on top. I'm going to take this out in a cup, and I'm going to add this in the end when I'm going to make layers. Now here you can see that I have boiled some water in a big pan, and I've added some spices like cloves and peppers, and some white cumin seeds, And now the water is bubbling, and here I've got the soaked rice which I soaked for 1 hour. I'm going to put these rice into this water, and I'm going to cook it for like about sort of 3/4 cooked, not fully done but like 3/4 done, and then I'm going to drain all the water out, and then I'm going to show you how. Now as you can see, the water is, the rice are cooking nicely, and you can see they are nearly done, they are nearly half done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain all the water out in a big drainer, and then I'm going to make layers with onions and some corianders and mint leaves and our mince meat and everything together. I'm going to show you how. Here I've got half of the rice in the basement. Now I'm going to add all the mince in the center of the rice. All the mince is gone. Now all these green things, green coriander and green chilies, all gone as well. Spread it on, and then the leftover rice on the top of the pan. Just cover it completely. And now you can see I've added some yellow color on the top. Now I'm going to put some kebab water on the top of this yellow color to make it red, so that we get nice orangish color for biryani. And finally I've separated the oil from the mince earlier, so I'm going to add this mince oil all over our rice, so that gives the glaze to the rice, and the rice are not going to stick together because of this oil on the top. And now I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm going to simmer it for about 20-25 minutes. And now you can see our biryani is all ready. It looks really yummy. I'm going to just mix a little bit of it, not too much, because I like the white rice, show white and mixture of yellow rice together. Okay, now you can see the biryani is all ready. Hope you like this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe me on my YouTube channel, Farzi's Fantastic Food. Share this recipe with all your family and friends, and please like my page on Facebook, Farzi's Fantastic Food. Thank you and enjoy.